I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Chevy Silverado louder. The most effective way to achieve a more robust engine sound is by modifying your exhaust system. We'll explore various options, from full aftermarket kits to simpler adjustments, ensuring you find the perfect roar for your truck. It's important to understand how each modification impacts both sound and performance. Let's dive into the details to get your Silverado sounding exactly how you want it. Aftermarket exhaust systems are a popular choice for increasing your Silverado's volume. Catback systems replace everything from the catalytic converter rearward, offering a comprehensive sound upgrade. Axleback systems are a more straightforward option, replacing only the muffler and tailpipes, which can still provide a noticeable difference. When selecting a system, ensure it's compatible with your truck's year and engine size for optimal fit and performance. For those seeking the loudest possible sound, a muffler delete is a direct approach. This involves removing the factory muffler entirely, resulting in a very aggressive exhaust note. You can also remove the resonator, which further amplifies the sound. Another option is upgrading to a high-flow catalytic converter, which can enhance both sound and engine breathing. Always research local regulations before making these modifications to ensure compliance. Before making any modifications, it's crucial to understand local noise ordinances and emissions regulations. Some areas have strict rules regarding vehicle exhaust volume, and non-compliance can lead to fines. Always prioritize safety and legality when enhancing your truck's sound. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your louder Silverado responsibly and within legal limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.